Who's snoring? It's not me. It's them. Hey, stop snoring. Hey, stop snoring. You're keeping us awake. I'm not doing anything. You're snoring. Stop it. Alright, whatever you say. Leave me alone. I'm trying to go to sleep. This is gonna be a long night. Well, I'm not standing for this. I'm gonna go sleep somewhere else. You coming? Sure. I'm not staying here with them while they're snoring. Come on. Let's get out of here. Let's go sleep somewhere else. Right behind you. Screw you both. Mum, we want to sleep with you. Yeah, we want to sleep in your bed. What? Why? Because Chara keeps snoring. Oh, I see. So, can we sleep in your bed, please? Not right now. Oh, but why? Yeah. Why can't we sleep in your bed? She's keeping us awake with her snoring. Because last time you slept in my bed, you kept kicking me. I am sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. Well, the answer is no. So what are we going to do about them then? They keep snoring and they're keeping us awake. Do you want me to have a word? Well, you can try, but we try telling them they'll give us the right attitude back. Well, they won't with me. Wait, come on, let's go sort them out. I'll tell them to stop snoring. Excuse me. Wake up now. What? Stop snoring. But I'm not snoring though. Yes, you are. You're snoring and you're keeping us awake. Yeah, so you better stop it right now. You're seriously doing this on purpose? No. I can't help it if I'm snoring. Anyway, so what if I'm snoring? It's what I do. What are you going to do about it? Well, I'm going to tell you to stop snoring right now. You're keeping them awake. Yeah, you're keeping us awake, so stop snoring. Yeah. You two are so dramatic. It's just snoring. I'm sure you do it. I don't snore like a damn monster like you do. Hey! Sorry, no offence. It's okay, none taken. Look, young lady, I think you need to stop snoring because it's pretty loud and you're going to end up keeping everyone awake in this house. But I like snoring. Well, it's very disruptive. And you're keeping everyone awake. Nah, so what? Don't you give me that attitude, lady. What? I'm not doing anything. Yes, you are. What am I doing? You're snoring. I know I am. And you better stop it right now. Nah. Well then, I guess you're going to be grounded then for a month. No, please don't. Well, it's your choice. Either stop snoring or get grounded. What's it to be? Alright, I'll try and stop snoring then. Good, now get back into bed. Whatever you say. And you two get back into bed as well. There, now we're all tucked in now. Now I want you all to stay in bed and I don't want any more snoring from you. Okay? I'll try my best. Yeah, sure, whatever. Oh, be quiet. Well, both of you be quiet so we can get some sleep. Yeah, well said. Well said indeed. Well, I'm going to my own bed now and I don't want any more trouble, okay? No more snoring and no more coming into my bed, okay? Okay. Good. There. Hopefully that's the end of it. Oh, not again. Is she ever gonna stop? Doesn't look like it. Shall we get out of here? Yeah, let's get out of here. See you, snory freak. Did you just kick me? Yeah, because you're snoring again. Oh, whatever. Well, whatever to you too. We're leaving. Come on. Alright, see you around. Whatever, goat boy. Wait, there's someone in here. What in the world? Hello? Hello? What on earth are you two doing in my bed? They're snoring again. Yes, we thought we'd come in here to sleep. Yeah, I don't think they're going to stop snoring. This is going to be a long night.